Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add custom emojis in Discord. So for you to add custom emojis in Discord, here is how you can get it done. So for you to get it done, click on username Discord. Once you click on it, you click on this arrow drop down button, then click on server settings. Right here, then click on emojis. Then you have options to upload emojis directly from your computer. See right here, I actually have an image customized from me and channel member. As you can see, right here I can add up to 50 custom emojis that anyone can use. My server for emojis. So I'm gonna add one more emojis directly from, let's see, this one, this particular one, this black stuff. Then click on it, so uploading, and that's it. So that is how to add custom emojis in Discord. If I find video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.